Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And Blue is right here. I got a box from Boxycharm. This is from the Mega Drop Shop, which is in February. They have the Drop Shop every month, and the Mega Drop Shop is every 3 months. And the Mega Drop Shop in November, traditionally for me, is the best sale. This February one, it's just like every other month, in my opinion. And you know, things will be changing here soon with Ipsy and Boxy, but in the meantime, I really wasn't going to get anything. Nothing really struck me, but then y'all have told me that the Refreshments line is a good line. And you know, the Refreshments line is with Ipsy, and how that works is you can go into the Refreshments on the Ipsy app or on the Ipsy website and sign up for Refreshments, and they will send you things regularly. You know, just the shave cream, shavers, things like that. They have shampoo. I got a shampoo recently that I'm trying, that I'm using, and it seems to be all right so far. I've used it a couple times. I've gotten some hand cream that I wanted to give away that was nice. So anyway, I was needing a new razor. And you know, razors are so expensive. I did want to say this box actually has packing material in it. Look at that. I'm surprised. Okay, I didn't get very much, but I did get, I thought I would try it. So the Refreshments. So this is a razor blade. It says Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit, and I got the color Neon Fizz. I can't remember what it was. They had a couple colors to pick from. And then I got some refills, blades, and this was $19, but I paid $8 for it. So let's see how it opens. It says pair it with their pillowy shave cream. You know, they want you to use all the products, and then you would just keep getting refills of the products. That's how it gets its name, I guess. So anyway, it is the top is glued shut, so the bottom opens like this, and then okay, that's very nice. A tray that comes out. It's nicely packaged, I'll give them that. And then here is some information about the blade and what to do and what have you. So this one, what I ended up with is purpley. I guess it's like a, well, let me show you. That's what it looks like. It's a purpley pink, and they had a couple colors to pick from, and I think this is purpley. The other one I think was more pink. And this is a nice handle. Now I will say that it has a nice feel to it. And then let's see what else is in this kit. I couldn't tell by the description. In the shop, it doesn't always tell you exact information about what's in the packaging. So I didn't know. I figured it came with one blade. I had no idea how many other blades it might have came in. And what you got to see, what you got to see was the box. And then it just says 5 blades. So 5 blades is actually what this is. So it didn't say it came with an extra one. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see what that is. That's a little, that might help you put the blade. Oh, okay. This is, I'm thinking, why am I thinking that this was a, yeah, a magnet. Okay. This you can, it's a 3M sticker. So you can stick that to your shower wall, you know, bathroom wall, wherever you want to put it. And then there's a magnet in here. So you can let it just hang in your shower. I guess you can, well, can you go that way? Then you can see it, it's pretty. So it has, this is nicely wrapped. And, you know, blades are expensive, y'all. So I thought, why not take advantage of this? So it's real easy to use. It's very similar to the one that I already have of a different brand. You just click it in, and there you go. And then I can stick this, like I said, on the wall if I want to. And then I can, this is the way, this is where the magnet is. Well, that's, I think it has to go this way. No, this way, it's not really staying very well. Oh, there, okay. So there it is on the magnet, and it'll stick to the wall if I want to do that. I'm not sure that I'll really do that. So that looks nice. It has that little guard below here, you know, that's supposed to protect you. And then this is 4. They had a package of 4, or they had a package of 8. This was $3. They valued it at $10, so $2.50 a blade, which blades are very high. So You know, I can agree with the pricing on that, but for $3 for 4 packages, I thought it's a Ziploc container. I always have trouble with that. And they're there. There's 4 of these in there. So I will put them back in here, put them in my storage cabinet, and I'll put the extra one in here as well so I don't lose it, so I have 5. So that'll last me a long time, and that ended up being $11 for the 2. So I think that's well worth it. So, you know, I'll let you know if I like it. And then to get to you have to spend $25 to get free shipping. And then you do pay the $1.99. You pay that $1.99 whether you spend $1 or whether you spend $1,000. So, you know, you want to get the most bang for your buck, buy as much as you're going to buy. And I really didn't see anything I wanted. So I just got myself to I think it was $26 because I bought this set of shampoo because I need shampoo. Who doesn't need shampoo? This was $14.99 for this. This is regularly $42. These are $21 a box. This is the JAVY brand. I have the Daily Volumizing Conditioner and the Strengthening Shampoo. And this came as a set. It wasn't separate. So $14.99 for the set. They did have them in there separately where you can buy them separately, but this was a deal. This was called like a Boss set deal or something for the $14.99. Individually, I think they were selling them $11.99 or $12.99 each. So I got the set when the set, you know, was a daily deal. Okay, so when you open it up, look at the inside. It's funny. Looks like it's all scribbled on. It's cute. And then here's the pretty bottle. It looks metalish, but it might have a plastic coating on it. This undamaged. This is a strengthening shampoo. Isn't that pretty? And then this is the Daily Volumizing Conditioner. I always need volumizing. So I thought it was a pretty set. And, you know, you got to have shampoo anyway, so why not have good shampoo? Interesting. You gotta. So that's all I got. But I am happy to try the refreshments. I really thought it was sort of hokey when they first came out with it. But like I said, a few of y'all have told me that you try it. Some of you actually get the refills. You know, and you get things delivered to you regularly. I think you can adjust your delivery. Like if, you know, they might start you off at once a month and then you can say, oh, I don't need that as often. So you can get it 2 months out or 3 months out or something. So, but I'm not doing that. I'm just going to try this. And I believe these will last me a long time. So I'm just, you know, just like I said, I needed blades and the razor that I have is quite old. And, you know, there's only so much cleaning you can do. After a while, it gets gunky. So I thought I would try this. And for $8 for this set, and then $3 for the blades. So, and I assume since Refreshments is a line from Ipsy, that continuing going forward, we'll be able to find these in their shop. So when I need more, I'll be able to buy more. So thank y'all for stopping by and seeing what I got from the Ipsy Mega Drop Shop. I mean, I've got that in my head now. Boxy Ipsy, Boxy Ipsy, Boxy Ipsy. So it's the Boxy Mega Drop Shop from February, and you know, soon they're merging. So we all know about that. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye bye.